Here's how to use the Chroma Key function in Capcut. First, drag your files into the timeline. I have a background and the subscribe button with the green, which I want to remove. So click on the file and now on the top right on video, not on basic, we want to go to remove background. And now we have three options. We want to use the Chroma Key and now click on color picker. Now go on the player and select the color you want to remove. If I choose the red is removed. If I choose the green disappears. Click on it and as you can see we have green outlines. To remove them, increase the intensity slider to the level 66 in this case, and now you have removed the green. So I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.